Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Keep my life in order, your life, your journey, a lifestyle that fits for you. And in today's video, guys, we're going to do part 1 of decluttering and organizing my closet. So today we're going to focus on purging all of the winter clothes, seeing what I'm going to donate, and we're going to go ahead and do that today. So let's go ahead and get started. So typically, guys, during this process of my decluttering and organizing, I'm simply just purging, what clothes I'm going to store, what clothes I'm going to donate. And you guys, fun fact about me, I love to shop. And this fall and winter, I did do a lot of shopping. However, you guys, I don't spend a lot of money on my clothes. And this is why, because I donate so much stuff so often and I shop every season, so it's like I just don't see the point of me spending a lot of money on clothes. It's just one of the things that I don't spend a lot of money on. But anyway, so you guys gonna see at the end of the video how many items I'm gonna be donating. But this is the easy part of doing this. I enjoy it. It doesn't take a lot of time. So yeah, you guys, this is how I like to purge and declutter. Okay, guys, so see what I'm talking about? So these are the clothes that I am going to keep. I collected a lot of stuff this fall and winter. Wow, how about that? However, this isn't compared to what I'm going to donate. So when I show you guys all the items that I'm going to donate, you're going to see it's quite a few things. See what I'm talking about? And y'all, these are just not clothes. I think I got some shoes I'm going to be donating, handbags. It's quite a few items. So yeah, y'all, like I said, and when I say I don't spend a lot of money on clothes, I don't spend like $50 on a shirt. I'm not doing that. Danielle ain't doing it, y'all. When I tell you I am a frugal shopper when it comes down to my clothes, I really am. But yeah, these are all the items that's going to get donated. So yeah, guys, this concludes our part 1 of the decluttering series. When we come back, you guys, I'm going to show you how I'm going to go ahead and organize my summer/spring clothes. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And thank you guys for watching.